to the latest episode of Cooking with Magic. As always, please like, subscribe, share, comment, anything you can do to spread the word about the show. And today we're going to be doing a super famous dish. It's called the turkey leg. Everyone knows about turkey legs. If you've ever been to Disney World, Disneyland, you've probably seen a turkey leg floating around somewhere. Someone was walking around eating a big ass turkey leg. We don't have the ability to buy the big turkey legs that you can see at Disney. We just had to buy some regular sized turkey legs. I don't even know, I guess you have to own a theme park to be able to buy turkey legs that big. But this episode is dedicated to Eli, my co-host on the Magic Our Way podcast. This is his favorite thing to have at Disney is the turkey leg. So what we're going to do first is we're going to brine these turkey legs overnight. So you need a big bucket or some kind of container you can put water in, and we're going to soak these turkey legs with all these ingredients overnight up to 24 hours in advance. Okay, so real quick, just fill this up to where it'll cover the turkey legs. You're going to need a cup of salt, half a cup of sugar, and then a tablespoon each of black pepper, okay, comino, don't worry if you get a little extra, it's not a problem, garlic powder, chili powder, paprika, that's a lot of paprika, and rubbed sage. So a tablespoon each of all that. Mix it all up, make sure it all incorporates. Get out all the lumps. Okay. And then we're going to put our turkey legs in there to rest overnight. Now, one thing that I add for all of my brines is an onion and some celery. The onion doesn't have to be anything fancy, just big chops. You just want to get that flavor incorporated. Okay. Same thing with the celery. And I don't even care if I use the whole celery. I'm going to cut that big piece off that's going to go in the trash anyway. And then all the stuff that nobody's going to eat, all the little bits and ends and leaves and all that stuff, that's all going to go in there. Okay, so you're just adding some flavor. No one's going to care how these look or what shape they are. Just throw all that in there. Okay, you can stop it. And then just throw the turkey legs in there. Cover it. And we're going to put that in the fridge overnight. Alright guys, welcome back. So we let those turkey legs brine overnight, and now we're ready to give them a dry rub. You're also going to want to have some wood chips in water soaking for when we get ready to smoke them. So that's what I've got here, some pecan chips in water, and I got my turkey legs. Once you get them out of the brine, go ahead and pat them dry, paper towel, whatever, and then for your rub, take all the spices that we use it for, exact same spices, just get them all, about a tablespoon of each, and then mix them up nice and easy. Get them all incorporated, and we're going to rub down these turkey legs with the spices, okay? So again, we got our turkey legs all nice and dry, and we got our spices mixed up. So we're just going to take that and rub it on liberally. Get it all on there. Don't miss any spots. And then we're going to take these and put them on the pit. Okay? Okay guys, so we've got our fire going. We're going to put that in the pit. Put some wood chips on it so it'll smoke really good. We're going to put the turkey legs in there, and then we're going to get those turkey legs to smoke for about 2-3 hours, maybe 4 hours. Just depends on how hot the pit is. But we want it to get to about 185 internal temperature of the turkey leg. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a thermometer in one of them so that we can, measure that and make sure we get it to the right temp. So we got our wood chips that have been soaking, turkey legs, and I'm about to put the fire in here. Okay. So give me a second. All right. So let's put that bad boy in there. Put a handful of these chips on there so it'll get real smoky. I'm going to save some of these chips because I'm probably going to put more fire later. And I'll need those chips for that fire. Okay, so you see that's only halfway. We don't want to grill the turkey legs, we just want to smoke them. So we're going to put them on this other half of the pit and let that smoke do the work. Alright, so we're going to set this for 180. And that will let us know when it's done. Okay guys, it's been smoking for about 3 hours now. We are at 180 internal temperature. And there's some good old smoked turkey legs. Okay, and here we go. This is the smoked turkey leg that you can get at just about any of the parks, but you can definitely get them at Patches. Patches wants some turkey legs. Patches, I'll give you turkey leg later. So let's test it out. Let's try it out and see how it goes. Obviously, they are not as big as your turkey legs that you expect to find in the parks, but still.
A little bit bigger than a chicken leg.
Okay.
Good sound. Good sound.
I was wondering if the meat inside was going to be pink. Because, like, if you eat a turkey leg at the park, it seems like it's like ham. It tastes like ham.
Yeah, it is. It's super pinky.
So
it's salty.
It's not as salty and it's not as pink of meat as, country.
Okay.
As you usually find.
It looks like a little bit bigger than a chicken leg. I think a good grip. Crispy?
A little bit. Look at that tendon you just took in your mouth.
Is it crispy or what? Very peppery.
Yeah, that's all the seasoning we put on the outside. Maybe we probably didn't need that much seasoning, but
Save me the crispy stuff.
But
good though.
Look at that. It's got that good smoke flavor and color.
I feel like I'm at Six Flags about to barf this up. No, I'm just kidding.
So,
cheers.
Right.
Disney, duh. I feel like I'm at Disney. Oops. Delete that. Promoting the wrong place.
But this is for you, Eli. Turkey leg 69. We, this is for you. So, if you want to go to Magic Kingdom or Hollywood Studios or any of those parks that sell the turkey leg, so if you'd like to check out the turkey leg for yourself in person over at Magic Kingdom, just give me a call at 832-431-1621. You can find me on Facebook at facebook.com/Lastovica Travel. That's Lastovica Travel. You can email me at lee@magicourway.com. Check out the Facebook page at facebook.com/Lastovica Travel. That's Lastovica Travel. On Instagram, you can find me at You've Got a Friend in Lee Travel. If you do any of that, we'll get you hooked up and booked up. So, as always, please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you guys next
Okay,
Okay, that wasn't good.
I know.